Hello and welcome back to 6th grade math support. These are our topics for this school year. We are now working on the number system. For the topic of the number system, we will have a total of 13 objectives. So let's look at our first one. Our first objective is interpret and compute quotients of fractions and solve word problems involving division of fractions by fractions, for example, by using visual fraction models and equations to represent the problem. So pretty much we'll be working on dividing a fraction by a fraction. So let's look at an example problem. Our fraction division problem today is, at a school party, a large pizza was cut into 3/4 of a whole pizza. Each student will get a slice that is 1/8 of a whole pizza. How many students can get a slice of pizza? Explain your reasoning using fraction division and ratio language. So let's look at this. So we have a large pizza which was cut into 3/4 of a whole pizza, and then each student will get 1/8 of a whole pizza. So we have 3/4, and that's being divided by the 1/8 that each student will get as far as the slice. So if we want to know how many students, well, we'll do this division. And for dividing fractions by fractions, we do keep, change, flip. So we keep the first fraction. So in this case, we would keep 3/4. We would change the division to multiplication. And we will flip the second fraction. In this case, we will flip 1/8 to be 8/1. At that point, it's just simply multiplying fractions. So we'll multiply across the top and the bottom. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4. Now we'll simplify this by dividing. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So that means 6 students will be able to get a slice of pizza. So that means if we were to add 1/8 6 times, it should get us to 3/4. That is our problem for today. We have used fraction division using the keep, change, flip model for dividing a fraction by a fraction. I hope this made sense to you, but if you have questions about this or any other topic that you are working on, please let me know. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you so much for joining my tutoring session today. If you enjoy the way that I instruct and you think that I would be a useful addition to your student or to yourself, feel free to scan this QR code. It is going to take you directly to my profile page where you can get set up on weekly classes with me. Looking forward to seeing you in the classroom. Bye.